hours. Near steady.
Here you go.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Wake County, central Johnston County, southwestern Franklin County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Clayton, or 9 miles west of Smithfield, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Garner, Clayton, Zeeland, Munn, Knightdale, Wendell, Roseville, Youngsville, and Pilot. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Johnston, and Wake. At 2:51 p.m. at the